As a consultant, if you have to open an incorporation, this is by far the simplest way to do, and I'll show you how you can significantly save. Just below the video is my affiliate link. By using it, you support my content creation at no extra cost to you. So once you click on the link, you will come to this website and you see here 15% discount at the time of checkout. You have option to go directly on the website. When you come to the website, this 15% discount is not shown on their page. Once you're on the website, click on the Get Started Now, click New, and then you select the province where you're from. Right now, it only allows 4 provinces, that is Alberta, British Columbia, Quebec, and Ontario. Others are yet to be onboarded. I'll let you know whenever that happens. So once you've selected your province, here you select Incorporation, and then once you do the selection, you come to this page where you select named company and then enter name of the company as given in the requirement. So once you enter, you will see this green tick. Then you select from this drop down, then click Next, create your account to log into the website, enter the address from the province what you have selected, then select I am a Canadian resident. This is must. If you're not, then this video is not for you. Here in this section, consulting and services is what I have selected. And then once you have entered this detail, click Next. Do check out my website, Canada Tried and Tested, where I have organized everything related to Canada. You can see it's a long list. And then you do the name confirmation, click Next, company ownership. If it is single entity, just select by myself and then check the details. These are required. Once you check the address and other details, click Next. Here, individual with significant control. If it is single person, I have shown how it is done here, 100% ownership, and then click Next. You'll go through the identity verification, which you can scan on your mobile, or you can upload your photo ID document. Once that is done, you can click Next. You choose the plan here. Either you go for the free one, which is free for first year, and second year onwards you pay $199, or you can go for $499 for the first year and then $599 per year. In the growing business plan, you also have add-on if you want. So you can select this. This will add to the cost. If not, you can just save as it is and then click and you come to this page. So here you see you get this promo discount, which I showed initially 15%, and then with opening of RBC bank account, you get $300 credit. So your total what you pay is only $187.19 in this case with all the discount. Remember, you have to open RBC bank account later on. Once you have your incorporation done, you can call up and take an online appointment or offline appointment. That happens only after registration, but you need to make the selection. If you don't want RBC bank account, you deselect, and this $300 you will see will show in the revised total. So I'm keeping as it is. This $300 discount gets applied, and after checking, you go ahead and do the payment through your credit card. And once that is done, you go for name confirmation. Then you review the entire document and do the submission. Then Ownr will review your document and inform you when your company is registered. And congratulations, it was as simple as that. Make sure you're using the link to get everything what is shown in this video. Thanks for watching.